I challenge myself to restore my strength by trying out this one superfood that's said to be a game changer for seniors. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of changes that can affect our strength, energy levels, and overall health. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that can provide a range of health benefits, and one in particular has caught my attention for its potential to help seniors restore their strength. This superfood is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help combat the physical decline that often comes with aging. Many seniors struggle with strength loss, which can make everyday activities like walking, cooking, or even getting out of bed a real challenge. This loss of strength can be caused by a combination of factors, including reduced muscle mass, poor nutrition, and decreased physical activity. It's not just about physical limitations. It can also impact mental health, leading to feelings of isolation, depression, and a loss of independence. Simple tasks become daunting, and that can be really frustrating. The impact on daily life is significant. Seniors may need to rely on others for help, which can be a difficult adjustment. They might have to give up activities they enjoy, like gardening or playing with grandkids. Even getting around the house can become a struggle, making it hard to maintain a sense of normalcy and control over their lives. This is why finding a solution is so crucial. Strength loss can also affect a senior's ability to engage in social activities, leading to feelings of loneliness. When you're struggling to get around or perform basic tasks, it's easy to become withdrawn. That's why it's essential to address strength loss and find ways to maintain physical function as we age. By making a few simple changes, like incorporating the right superfoods into our diets, we can make a big difference. One superfood that's gaining attention for its strength-boosting properties is beetroot. Rich in nitrates, beetroot can help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, making it an excellent addition to a senior's diet. Beetroot is also high in antioxidants and fiber, which can help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. You can easily add beetroot to your diet by blending it into smoothies, adding it to salads, or even roasting it as a side dish. Studies have shown that beetroot can have a positive impact on physical performance in older adults. The nitrates in beetroot are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. This can lead to improved exercise performance and reduced oxygen consumption, making it easier to engage in physical activity. With its rich nutritional profile and scientifically backed benefits, beetroot is an excellent choice for seniors looking to restore their strength. Incorporating beetroot into your diet can be easy and delicious. Try adding it to your favorite recipes or experimenting with new ones. The benefits of beetroot make it an attractive option for those looking to take control of their health. By making informed choices about our diets, we can take proactive steps towards maintaining our strength and independence as we age. One woman in her 70s who was struggling with weakness and fatigue decided to add beetroot to her daily routine. After just a few weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and strength. She was able to walk further and engage in activities she had previously avoided, like gardening and cooking. Her experience is a testament to the potential of beetroot to transform lives. The woman's story is inspiring, and it's a great example of how simple dietary changes can have a profound impact. By incorporating beetroot into her diet, she was able to regain her strength and independence. Her testimonial highlights the potential for beetroot to make a real difference in the lives of seniors. With its rich nutritional profile and scientifically backed benefits, beetroot is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, beetroot is a powerful superfood that can help seniors restore their strength and improve their overall health. Its rich nutritional profile, scientifically backed benefits, and ease of incorporation into the diet make it an excellent choice. By making informed choices about our diets and incorporating superfoods like beetroot, we can take proactive steps towards maintaining our strength and independence as we age. If you've had any experiences with superfoods or have tips for maintaining strength as we age, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other video on 10 morning habits that will boost your energy levels for more tips on how to start your day off on the right foot.